How to link your bank accounts to YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Then you will see the Add Accounts button at the top. Tap on it to connect your bank directly. You will now see a list of supported banks. Use the search bar to find your bank from the list. After selecting your bank, you will be redirected to a secure login page. Enter your online banking credentials exactly as you would when signing into your bank's website or mobile app. Once your credentials are verified, YNAB will securely connect to your bank and start importing your recent transactions automatically. You may need to grant permission or complete a quick verification step, depending on your bank's security settings. When the connection is successful, choose the specific account you want to link. For example, your checking, saving, or credit card account, and tap Continue. Your transactions will now start syncing and YNAB will automatically categorize them into your budget. This makes it easier to track your spending and manage your money without doing everything manually. Now you know how to link your bank accounts to YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.